Imagine pulling a strange green rock from the bottom of the ocean, only to discover it contains technology no one believed should exist. At first, it looked like nothing more than a corroded lump of bronze. But what nobody realized was that this forgotten object would completely change what historians believed about the ancient world. The story began over 2,000 years ago. A Roman ship loaded with valuable treasures sailed across the Mediterranean. Everything seemed normal until a violent storm struck. The massive ship disappeared beneath the waves, taking its secrets with it. For nearly 2,000 years, the wreck remained untouched. Then, in 1901, Greek sponge divers searching the seabed discovered statues, jewelry, and broken artifacts scattered across the ocean floor. It looked like another incredible shipwreck. But this was only the beginning. Among the treasures sat a cracked piece of bronze that nobody cared about. It wasn't beautiful like the statues, so it was pushed aside inside a museum. Then came the discovery that changed history. Months later, the bronze cracked open. Inside were tiny gears, not one or two, dozens of them. Nobody expected what happened next.